In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a hammer curl with dumbbells. Now, just like a bicep curl, they're both curl movements. So you start off in an elbow extended position and you end up in a flexed position. The difference is with a bicep curl, you'll notice my palms are in a position where they're facing my face here, so I can look at my palms, whereas in a hammer curl, my palms are going to be facing each other. Now, when I'm coming into the repetitions, make sure you're picking up the weights under control. Make sure your feet are hip width apart, your elbows are locked into the body, and then from here, chest up looking forwards, keep those palms facing each other as you slowly control the upward concentric phase and that eccentric lowering phase of the exercise. At all times, I'm trying to keep my wrists straight. I've got a big grip here on the weights, and I'm emphasizing here my forearms in this variation. Once you've repeated your desired amount of reps, lower the weights under control, and that is how to do a hammer curl.